Okay.
All right, so my Father's Day present is a Funko G.I. Joe mystery box. What are these things?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know what's in it.
Will you stop? I'm telling you.
Oh, it's one of those things. Okay.
One of those things.
One of those things. One of those things.
Ooh.
It's Destro. I dig it.
Director Destro.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's cool. And what else is in there? I'm an official member of the G.I. Joe fan club. Oh, that's cool. That's kind of cool.
Go ahead.
Ooh, is that dog tag?
Yeah, you want the dog?
No, I don't want it, bro. That's cool looking. Is it metal or plastic?
No.
Oh, that's good.
I would have given it to me. Oh my god.
I don't want it. There's a couple. There's a cool.
Yeah, snake eyes.
There's on the other side too. Oh, this is book.
I think it's like one of them badges.
Oh, let me see that.
Like neck thing. Yeah.
Oh, it's a keychain. Those are nice. It's a lanyard. Or lanyard or whatever.
Funko with his card. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna. Oh, there's a poster. I love it.
Well, that's actually cool. You should put that in your room.
Yeah, gonna go on the wall. Oh yeah, it's like the original comic.
Yeah.
I have that comic. Not that comic. Funko one, but that comic. That's awesome. Okay, that's good. Thank you.